So friends, today we will see how to find solution of given differential equation by the method of variation of parameter. So first consider a second order differential equation in the form y double dash plus a1 y dash plus a2 y is equal to pi of x. This is a non homogeneous differential equation. This a1 and a2 are constants or function of x. So let yc is equal to c1 y1 plus c2 y2 be the complementary function of this given differential equation. Here c1 and c2 are arbitrary constant. By using this complementary function, let y is equal to a into y1. In place of c1 we will take a plus c2. In place of c2 we will take b. Y2 is a complete solution of this given differential equation where a and b are the function of x. Next we have to find the values of a and b such that a is equal to integration of minus integration of y2 pi of x by w dx plus k1. So a dash is equal to minus y2 pi of x by w. B is equal to integration of y1 pi of x divided by w dx plus k2, and b dash is y1 pi of x by w. Here k1 and k2 are integration constants and w is nothing but determinant of y1, this y1 y2 and y1 dash y2 dash, this which is nothing but y1 y2 dash minus y2 y1 dash, and this is called as Wronskian of the function y1 and y2. So substituting the expression or values of a and b in this equation, we will get complete solution of given differential equation. So let us see one example. So here we have an example. By using the method of variation of parameter, find solution of d square y by dx square minus 2dy by dx plus y is equal to e raised to x by x. Now we know that d square by dx square is nothing but capital D square, that is differential operator, minus 2d plus 1. I took y outside here, is equal to e raised to x by x. This is given differential equation. First we have to find complementary function. For that we consider auxiliary equation by using this differential equation, which is m square minus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. By factorization we will get m minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. From this we will get m is equal to 1 comma 1 are the roots for m. Because here m minus 1 whole square is there, so we have two roots for m. By using these two roots we form complementary function yc. Since these roots are real and equal, we have a complementary function as c1 plus c2x into e raised to mx. M is 1, so e raised to x. This is our complementary function. Now using this complementary function we will form that y is equal to, in place of c1 we will take a constant or function of xa, plus in place of c2 we will take b, this x as it is e raised to x. So take this as equation 1. As we know that a and b are functions of x, we have to find function this values of a and b. For that we know that a is nothing but what here, minus, or a dash is nothing but minus y2 pi of x divided by w, and b dash is nothing but y1 pi of x by w. So w is Wronskian and pi of x is nothing but this RHS. So pi of x is nothing but here e raised to x by x, and Wronskian is nothing but determinant of y1 y2 y1 dash y2 dash. So this is Wronskian is nothing but here y1 y2 dash minus y2 y1 dash. So for that we want y1 and y2 y1 dash and y2 dash. By using this equation, that is y is equal to a plus bx plus into e raised to x, we can say that, as we know that general form of y is in the form of c1 y1 or a into y1 plus b into y2. So by this we can say that this can be written as y is equal to a into e raised to x plus b into x into e raised to x. I multiply this e raised to x inside. So a into e raised to x plus b x into e raised to x. Now this is coefficient of a is our y1 and coefficient of b is y2. So our y1 is nothing but here e raised to x and y2 is x into e raised to x. By using we find y1 dash, because here we want y1 dash and y2 dash. So differentiation of this y1 with respect to x, that is y1 dash, is equal to differentiation of e raised to x is e raised to x, and again differentiation of x is 1. Next y2 dash is, this is in the form of u into v. So first I keep u as it is. Differentiation of e raised to x is e raised to x. Again differentiation of this x is 1. Next plus, now keep e raised to x as it is. Differentiation of x is 1. Now this is our y2 dash. Now we substitute y1, y2 and y2, y1 dash, y2 dash values in Wronskian. So we will get, so Wronskian is nothing but y1 y2 dash minus y2 y1 dash. So y1 is nothing but what we have here. y1 is nothing but, here y1 is e raised to x and y2 is x into e raised to x. So y1 is e raised to x and y2 dash is x into e raised to x plus e raised to x. X into e raised to x plus e raised to x minus y2 is x into e raised to x and y2 dash is e raised to x. Here y2 dash is e raised to x. Now simplify this one. Multiply this e raised to x inside. So we will get x into e raised to x into e raised to x plus, and this one e raised to x into e raised to x minus, multiply this inside. So we will get x e raised to x into e raised to x. Now this term will get cancelled. Now e raised to x into e raised to x is nothing but e raised to 2x, because bases are same, we add the power. So Wronskian is nothing but here e raised to 2x and pi of x is e raised to x by x. So by using this we will find values of a dash and b dash. So here a dash is minus y2 pi of x divided by Wronskian. So y2 is minus sign as it is. y2 is nothing but what we have, x into e raised to x, and pi of x is e raised to x by x divided by Wronskian. So divided by Wronskian is e raised to 2x. Now x will get cancelled. Here e raised to x into e raised to x is e raised to 2x divided by e raised to 2x. So here we will get minus 1. So a dash is equal to minus 1. But we want a here. So by integrating this a dash we will get minus sign with respect to x plus k1 is our integration constant. By integration this a dash we will get a. So take integration sign on both the side with respect to x. So we will get, this is a is equal to integration of 1 with respect to x is x plus k1. This is our value of a. Next we will find first b dash, which is equal to y1 pi of x divided by w. So y1 is nothing but e raised to x, pi of x is e raised to x by x, and Wronskian is e raised to 2x. Now e raised to x into e raised to x is e raised to x, and this will get cancelled. We left with 1 by x. So our b dash is 1 by x. Next we want b. So I integrate on both the side with respect to x. Integration of 1 by x with respect to x plus integration constant, take k2. So integration of b dash with respect to x is b Next, integration of 1 by x is nothing but log x plus this constant k2. Now we got value of a and b. We put these values in equation 1. What we have equation 1? Y is equal to a plus bx into e raised to x. This is our equation 1. We put values of a and b in this equation. So we will get y is equal to a is nothing but here minus x plus k1, multiply this e raised to x inside, e raised to x, plus b is nothing but here log x plus k2 into x e raised to x. So take k1 and k2 constant one side. So we'll get here k1 plus k2 x, because here we have coefficient of e raised to x coefficient is x here. So e raised to x outside, plus again I take log x minus x one side into e raised to x. So y is equal to this one. Sorry, here we have x into log x. So from this I take x common outside. So we left with k1 plus k2x e raised to x plus log x minus 1. I took this x outside. This x outside e raised to x. Now the term minus x into e raised to x, this term can be neglected since the terms k2 x e raised to x is present in this solution. So with this neglect this term. So we will get final answer is y is equal to k1 plus k2x into e raised to x plus x into e raised to x into log x. So this is our required general solution of given differential equation.